What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got one goal today. We have a gentleman coming from out of town. We have been given a very short time frame to make this build possible. I've got parts coming in overnight. I've got wheels coming in overnight. 2022 refreshed Silverado 9-inch lift, getting some Nitto tires. Shout out Nitto tires, getting some KG1 wheels. The whole gang is coming together on this build. Shout out to everybody that was involved. This one's gonna be special. Let's get this bread. A lot of what you guys don't know about these builds, or a lot of you don't understand the behind the scenes aspect of these builds. Something like what we're building today, all that you guys would end up seeing is a final product, or potentially us putting some of the lift kit on, or any of these things. I want to take this opportunity, because of the kind of build that we're doing today. Well, actually, it'll be today and tomorrow, to kind of show you the kind of behind the scenes, you know. So I'm checking tracking numbers right now to make sure that my pieces for this build are on the way. So I remember Jake telling me yesterday before we left that we did get tracking information from FTS. Look, it's pulling up right there. Oh, look at the hood on that. Oh, I'm so excited. He has no idea I'm filming and watching him back in right now. Look. He may know. He may be able to. Look, see the refresh front end? Yeah. So I'm checking tracking numbers right now, trying to make sure that we're on track, to be 100% honest with you. And this is something that the customer will not know or see until the video is done, the build is done. I'm trying to find the email. Terrifying. All right, so I pulled up, look here, I'm gonna show you this. So these parts were ordered yesterday, probably about midday yesterday, right? And it is showing it is, what? 7:54 right now. And the parts that I need for this truck that is sitting outside right there are in Indianapolis. And I need them to be in Mcdonough, like now. So we have 2 days on this build, has to be done, has to leave Friday, tomorrow. And some of the parts that I need are in Indianapolis right now, as of 6:26 this morning. So they're in transit, out for delivery. They're either out for delivery here or somewhere in between Indianapolis and here, which is terrifying, but we, I guess we're on track, right? Had to make sure to get my coffee in the morning though. I'm just not the same person unless I can get my coffee in the morning. So we've done a couple of these now. This is the first one of this trim that we've done. Definitely something that I'm noticing right away is is this a different option hood that's on that? I don't think I've ever noticed the hood before. I really like that though. It gives it definitely gives it just a meaner look. But the 37s and the 12 wides, I'm excited. KG1s, Nittos. This is gonna be good. Trailboss. I need to get me a Trailboss. I see all these Trailboss. Hold on, wait. Oh, does it make you nervous to be on camera?
I don't know. We'll find it figure out, I guess.
The first time I ever filmed with Jake, I put him on the.
Oh, I bet he was awkward.
Oh, it was terrible. He like you know, ducking away. I told y'all that.
Got a box cutter?
Do what?
Box cutter.
No, but I can get a knife.
That'll work.
Find a knife somewhere. Quick little. So this is our truck with the new front end, right? Gotta have the new front end. I'm excited because we were gonna do some Archon Lincolns, to be 100% honest, and the Archon Lincoln deal just fell through. I'm not even gonna talk about it because the whole situation kind of annoyed me. But I told you guys that we were kind of pressed for time on this, so KG1 sent one of their guys. Do you guys actually deliver wheels ever?
No.
Like personally like this?
No, not really. I got warehouse guys, but if I'm driving 5 hours to Georgia, might as well.
Oh yes. This is one of my favorite wheels too. Somebody's gonna come in and be like, of course it's your favorite. Everything's your favorite.
Right?
So this guy, when I first talked to him, was dead set on black wheels too. And somehow last minute, we convinced him, oh yes, absolutely. This is gonna be fire. With the chrome spikes. So, all black FTS kit, traction bars, control arms, I mean all of it. And 2212 Rebels. This is one of my favorite wheels actually. I've seen this on Silverados before and it looks really good. Fire! Fire. Dropped off by yours truly. Mr. Josh. We need to start doing more stuff like this more often. I need to come to KG1's warehouse.
Yeah. It's just a short trip, bro.
Okay, let's... Who's this? Yeah, trash.
Unload some more.
What?
Just been living in Haiti lately.
Really? Look, can we just
shoots?
Can we just take a second to appreciate the fit? The Nitto hat, the Southern Tire, you got the Target pants on with the forces. I'm ready to rob somebody today. Like, I'm ready to just snatch and run out of the convenience store in these bad boys.
They look heavy.
Snatch and run. They're comfy. They really are. I got a lot of leg support. Ow!
Somebody eats some damn strawberry, buddy.
Edible arrangements, bro?
Amazon Fulfillment Center. Look, this is real time right now. Real time. I just got a package from Amazon. It says Amazon Fulfillment Center. Oh, this is, you know what? This is from my mom. Look. Got the caramel apples on deck, baby. Fuck my stomach up.
Shouldn't that be in a cooler?
I mean, it's cool in here.
Is it?
Yeah,
Oh, they got like dry ice or something there?
There's a little cool pack in there. On that side.
That's nice.
Thanks, Mom. Happy late birthday. I think the Nitto hat's a little bit.
Yeah, that's fine.
I didn't like those either. That's the point.
You don't like the point?
No,
That's like the Bass Pro Shop hat. That's why I like it.
Yeah.
I like more of a curved bill though. I took a zip tie and zip tied one of those curved for a while, and I had left it there for like 2 weeks, and it finally got to where I wanted it.
But
then it goes right back out. Just the way the hat's
See, I
designed.
like a baseball hat where it's like curved a little bit.
That's why I like the Bass Pro Shop hats. They're cheap.
Like, can we just get some Richardsons or some Pacifics?
I don't like Richardsons at all.
I love those.
I just wanted to give a shout out to KG1, especially Josh, because Gary doesn't want to drive and come see anybody.
Yeah.
So shout out to Josh from KG1 for bringing the wheels for this unexpected last minute Silverado that we're building. So I just wanted to make sure Josh over Gary, to make sure that I give a shout out to Josh from KG1 for bringing the wheels up here to me today. Gary, we love you. I'm just kidding. Shout out to Andy too. We love all of you up here. Hold on, I need to put my Fury hat on before I start talking about this. I can't be this. No, I can't be repping the brand if I'm not. But we're putting Nittos on this truck though, so it don't work. It don't work. I'm sorry. They know I love them. I'm exposing myself is what's happening because the owner up here doesn't know this particular. So this whole video, and I'm talking to Josh from KG1. This whole video is based off of this guy drove from South Carolina and the wheels we picked out yesterday that you brought. Then I realized we didn't have an FTS piece that we needed, that we desperately need to have to finish the truck, or the truck can't be finished. The customer doesn't know that. Brandon doesn't know that. And me and Jake have just figured it out, right? So the wheels are here, and I'm showing the FTS tracking, because I showed them this morning. The part was in Indiana when I got here this morning. Terrifying, right? And I'm showing, now it's out for delivery in Atlanta as of 12:59, 8 minutes ago. So, fingers crossed. This is the smile of somebody that a plan might actually come together.
The last second plan comes together, it's the best feeling.
If it did not come together, I would not be making this video because I would be just sweating my heart out over here. So it's the only reason I'm able to smile and make this clip right now, because we might actually come to. But this is the content people want to see behind the scenes of. I'm getting make or break by FedEx right now, which is completely terrifying because FedEx is. I don't want to say it's trash, but it is trash. But my life FedEx is trash,
Yeah,
yes.
for sure.
My life is hanging in the balance right here.
UPS is too.
No, my UPS guy, Hal, is
All the guys are cool. The FedEx guys aren't cool, but the UPS guys are always cool.
yeah. UPS, I can count on them for the most part, especially if I call them. I love UPS. I'm just throwing that out.
Especially in rough country, you only use UPS.
Amazon's pretty decent too, actually, though. If you get the right driver.
Yeah.
Because they got a bunch of different ones. But hey, look, all I'm saying is, look, our parts, they're in Atlanta, baby. So Jake and Alyssa aren't here today, and it's been a nightmare. I'm filming YouTube, guys. Don't look at me all funny. Filming a YouTube video. They look at me all funny when I talk to the camera. They're on vacation. Yeah. But look, our FTS stuff is here. It's like, what time is it right now?
3:30.
3:30, and our parts are here. We have everything here. Wheels, tires. Josh brought us the wheels. FedEx dropped off our pieces. It's we had a little scare earlier. I thought we had the wrong cross member here, which is not the case. We were just looking at the wrong box. Easy mistake. It's been one of them days. We're full exposed today. But hey, look, our control arms and our front compression struts are here. Made it in time. Let's get it spread. Today's the day. We got the wheels here. We got all the parts here. Front of the truck's done. Just got to get the wheels and tires put on it. And I'm not talking to you.
I told you to put that stuff outside.
I'm talking to YouTube right now, Brandon.
I asked him to put that out there 3 hours ago. I'm talking. I ain't even labeled it for him, and he still didn't put it out there. He said, "Yeah, I'm gonna walk out there right now."
I gotta put this one out here and this one. I'm not eating nothing right now. Brandon.
He went out into the shop to go to his car.
You ever ate one like that? Brandon.
Yeah,
You ever ate one like that?
No, I haven't.
You ever stick your tongue in one like that? Break it apart?
I would keep eating the candy out of the machine over here, but we found a fly in it one day.
Yeah, how old is that stuff?
It had dead fly in it one day.
It's a little dingy.
She came in and replaced all of it, and I don't think she did anything. I think she just swaps them all out between all of her different
No, there
stores.
was old stuff in there and she poured the new stuff on top and shook it up.
Oh, we're still recording. I wanted to try it.
And you put them together.
The one that I had was it wasn't I had. Look, this one's got a hole in it. Look. Oh, I thought it was gonna like. I thought it would make like a, but it didn't.
Get one with a hole in it.
This one had a hole in it. So something that's going to be interesting about this video is you won't see this until the video is done, but there's going to be something that I didn't tell you about in the video. It has nothing to do with the truck. Everything's here and everything's done, but you'll have to go watch the video to see what's been conspiring this whole time. Okay. Something interesting. It'll be fun to watch on YouTube, but just know that everything is here, everything is good, everything's you know what I mean? Just everything's good, right? There's nothing unsafe that happened, but you'll just have to go watch the video to see. And I'm telling the customer about this. He has no idea what was going on until he goes and watches this video. So when you're watching this, I'm sorry, but everything turned out good. And I don't normally do this. This is the first time I've ever done something like this and kind of just shown the stress of behind the scenes of building a truck like this. So just watch it with what do they say, with a grain of salt. Just it's a good time though. And I feel like I'm scaring you now, but it'll be fun to watch. But look, 2022 Chevy 1500, 9-inch FTS lift. I feel like it's been a while since I've been able to show some love to FTS on the channel, and I've got some really big things coming with FTS, so I'm really excited. Got that all black 9-inch FTS lift. We did upgrade to the box compression struts in the front, which I'm really excited about. Love the box compression struts and the matching rear traction bars. Love the rear traction bars with FTS. They, you know, obviously they have to be different than McGaughy's, so they don't add any accent pieces, but when you have the matching ones together, I love the diamond cut design that they have, and I'm a big fan of the FTS lift. I like the McGaughy's kits, but the FTS kits are really nice as well. You can't go wrong either way. I do genuinely believe that the FTS kits sit a little bit taller than the McGaughy's. In my opinion, maybe I'm just crazy. I do think FTS technically sells this as a 7 to 10, so I think some of the FTS kits, depending on who designs them and who puts the struts together, I think some of them sit at 10 inches, just my opinion. And then we have a red FTS kit that I'm going to show you guys down there that's going on a truck here soon. A lot of back and forth on wheel choice for this truck. Something, obviously, shout out to Josh from KG1, Gary from KG1, Andy from KG1, everybody for making this possible. 22x12 KG1 Rebel. Love this wheel, one of my favorite KG1 wheels. We actually have the same wheel in the showroom right now. You might be able to see it right there in a 26x14. Really a big fan of this wheel. And then obviously you gotta have the Nittos on it. It's very rare that we get to put Nittos on a 9-inch lift, and I'm super excited about it. 37, 1350, 22. Nitto has the best tires in the nation. Best tire ever built. I don't care what you say. Don't come. I don't care. I don't care what you say in the comments. Nitto's got the best tire on the market in history, hands down. I completely forgot to show love to the upper control arms up here. Love FTS's control arms. They've got the little diamond plate accent piece on it, as well. 2022 refreshed Silverado. I'm digging the front end. I like this one better. We had a black one up here earlier. I wish I could have got them side by side of the 21 model, but I'm a big fan. I love the new body styles on the Silverados. I love the way that this turned out. Came all the way from South Carolina, 2 days in and out. Normally we can have a build like this done in a day. I get a lot of questions about that, but adding traction bars and stuff, and then obviously having to wait on the wheels and, you know, everything yesterday as well, you know, obviously took us into a 2-day build, but customer has been super patient, and we really appreciate it. I feel like Brandon's over there talking trash. What kind of trash are you talking over there? He's over there talking shit. Brandon likes to talk shit. You gotta have the spike lug nuts too. If you don't have the spike lug nuts on the forged wheels, you're not doing it right. I'm letting you know. 2022 Trailboss in and out, showing some love. Look at Bill's wheels. Bill's wheels. Y'all remember seeing Bill's wheels? KG1 Kalos with the red spikes. Beautiful. You look good in that truck, Mikey. The fresh wheel lights. Love it. Love it. Look at this Thatwide bow tie.